preparing a concrete floor for the clapboard mill.
He's got two logs. You got 2 logs over there. You got out of that tree over on the
Actually
hill?
gonna be 4.
Couple of bent blocks in back of that log. Just to steady that.
My truck, the
big one.
Oh, the big one.
It's just bugging me, that's all.
Take them and set them so that they'll sit down on that, and then like what you said, a tie across the front, a tie across the back to keep them spread.
And then dig a hole for the
And then,
well plant.
well, we'd have to block it up, you know, for another height.
With the starter on there.
How over do you want it?
Continuing. Oh, so I'm working on a display of the John Avener basket making workshop. He made ash baskets, but he harvested his own ash and completely split off the rings to make different sizes of material. So he made some really fine baskets. You can see how fine these are. And so we have all of his equipment, all his tools. These are tools for cutting the different widths of material. So you see we've got pieces left, really fine things, and then wider things. And so we have a few of his baskets and then parts of his workshop. And today I've been sorting out some more boxes of things that we brought back from his workshop. So trying to put together a display. Eventually I'd love to have a shop size space that we could actually have the whole thing set up, because we won't be able to display everything in